Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. One of my most popular dish is definitely chicken stew. I think the one most people really loves it. My family also. So I'm going to make a very simple chicken stew today, but it's very flavorful, okay? I have two pieces of chicken thigh here, cut into big chunks. You can choose to marinate it with some light soy sauce or not. To me, is optional, yeah? Then here is the thing for the chicken stew. I have some carrot, celery, potato, and a bit of the white portion of the spring onion. Yeah, everything cut into cubes. That's all you need for this dish. Very simple. First, let's prepare a wok, and we will put in some oil and heat it up. We'll come back shortly. Once the oil is heated up, we can put in some minced garlic and also ginger slices. Saute a little bit. We try to get the fragrance of the ginger and garlic to be infused into the oil. Again, we'll come back shortly. Once you start smelling the ginger and also garlic flavor, aroma, very nice right now, we can actually put in the chicken. Like I mentioned, you can choose to marinate with some light soy sauce if you like. To me, it's optional. Wow, I can really smell the ginger and also garlic. Then I'm going to put in the potato, carrots, spring onion. Yeah, you can choose to put your what is this, celery. You can choose to put your celery right now, but of course, if you put it right now, later the celery will become very soft. I'll probably choose to put the celery towards a bit later lah. Very nice. First thing, going to give it some Shaoxing wine. Next thing, we'll give it some hot water, filtered water as well. Then we'll start giving it some seasoning. First of all, I'm going to give it some oyster sauce. About 1 tablespoon or a little bit more than 1 tablespoon here, 1.5 maybe. Some light soy sauce. Some of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder. For those interested, you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore. Optional, yeah. A little bit of salt, a little bit of sugar. Do we want to add the dark soy sauce? Well, I will decide later. Sometimes I prefer darker, sometimes I don't like it to be too dark. It's really your no right or wrong, your personal preference, yeah? Let's bring this to a boil. Alright, as you can see, it is boiling right now. So I'm going to close it with a lid and I will set a timer for probably approximately 15 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes, up to you. And you want to tune down to medium low fire. This is after the first 10 minutes. Wow, super fragrant right now. I'm going to add in the celery. I will also give it a few dashes of white pepper. You can see the broth has actually thickened up by itself or reduced, yeah. This is a very simple Chinese cooking method. So close it again. Let it continue for another about 3 to 5 minutes. Then it is done. See how simple it is? Alright, total simmering time approximately 15 minutes. It's basically done. Now I'm going to actually off the fire. You can see the sauce already taken out by itself, but I want to make it even more thick. Give it some starch solution and a bit of sesame oil. Give it few push, and our very flavorful chicken stew is ready to be served. Alright, here's my chicken stew. I'm going to add something extra, some cashew nuts. This is definitely optional, but make it more interesting. Alright, I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Bukit Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow up button. And thank you for watching. Thank you very much. Bye bye.